Hi, welcome to Glide Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Facebook profile picture guard not available. If you notice recently, Facebook profile picture guard has not been available for some time now. If you click on your profile, you see that the option is no longer here. This is very annoying anyway, but Facebook provided us with an option called lock profile, which you can find here. All you have to do is to log into your Facebook, click on your profile here, click on the three dots at the top left right corner. You're going to see the lock option here. When you click on it, all you have to do is to confirm that you want to lock your profile, and it will automatically lock. As you can see, mine has locked. This Facebook profile guide was a nice one. It worked very well. It was used to lock the Facebook profile before now, but now this Facebook lock profile is preferable because it does not only lock your Facebook profile, it also protects all your Facebook details from being taken by any other Facebook user that intervene on your Facebook account. This lock profile also prevents users or any viewer that wants to view your Facebook profile. It prevents the viewer from taking a screenshot of your profile picture. So I prefer this lock profile to profile guide. So this is more better. So guys, that is it on how to fix Facebook profile picture guard not available. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.